Good morning, everyone. So I am going to do a quick recap of the short necklaces that I showed yesterday during my live paparazzi jewelry show. So here are the necklaces that I showed. And so if you are interested in any of these, go ahead and just comment the number down below and I will get that in your cart for you. If you're a new shopper, all you need to do is leave me your email address or message me on Facebook with your email address. Or if you're on YouTube, just leave it down in the comments and I can get these items in your cart. Okay, so here we are. 209 is that multicolored necklace. And all of my necklaces do have earrings with them. 213 is this beautiful diamond necklace. Okay, so next row. 217 is that seed bead braided necklace. 218, you can either say 218 hair clip or 218 necklace. 219 is this multicolored necklace that I showed yesterday. 220, I have it in white rhinestone with silver. It's a toggle necklace. And then I also have it in brass with the brass toggle necklace. Of course, it has earrings. 222. Gorgeous. Next row. The numbers are a little bit hidden, so this one is number 226. No, that is 225, I'm sorry. 225 for this pastel blue pearl 3-layered necklace. 226 is this one. Gorgeous. There are the earrings for it. Gorgeous. White rhinestones. 227, I put this little set together with, you can say 227 ring, 227 bracelet, or 227 necklace. 228 has the little earrings up there, pastel blue pearls. And here is the necklace. And that is 228. 229. 230 is either the choker. I don't know if you remember the choker. It has little white rhinestones, little bead, little white rhinestones, little beads, very cute. Or you can say 230 necklace. Okay, everything comes with earrings. 231 are these heart earrings with the necklace in gold. Okay, very cute. And last on this row is number 232. I put a little set together with this ring, pink moonstone heart-shaped ring, and I put an option for earrings. Here's a bigger pair of earrings. These are the earrings that come with it right there, but this is another option, so you can say 232 ring, 232 earrings, or 232 necklace earring set. Okay, next row. Okay, next row is number 233. We've got some little red rhinestone earrings with the hearts, 3 hearts. One of them has the red rhinestones. That's 233. 234, I have it in silver or gold. Okay. 235 is the same necklace, but in red, a little red heart. 236 is this necklace earring set, has matching earrings back there. $237. Okay. $238. $239. And $240. We've got little white rhinestones, and we've got double hearts here. One has lots of pretty little white rhinestones. Okay, next row. Okay, $241. We've got those adorable earrings. And here's the necklace. Gorgeous, gorgeous necklace. $242. Right here. We've got little white rhinestones right there with an orange gem pendant. Little white rhinestones for the earrings. And then $243. Let me see if I can grab this. $243 has little turquoise earrings with little veining going through it. And here's the gorgeous necklace. $244 is co-ed, could be for men or women. It has a button closure. And it has this little arrow down on the bottom. Okay, so it has this ball chain, and then it has this leather necklace right there. And then $245 has these gorgeous earrings right there. And then we have a nice chain with a toggle necklace. Cute, with a little heart in the center. Okay. $246 has 4 layers. We have some brownish tan little beads for the necklace, for the earrings, I mean. And then the first layer, the shortest layer, has a little puff heart. The second layer is just a chain. The third layer has this little hammered effect disc, and that third layer also has these little tan beads that match the necklace up on the side. And then the fourth and longest layer is this little heart. Okay, and then $247 are these yellow bead earrings with this gorgeous hammered effect yellow stone necklace. And then $248 is a set. You can say $248 bracelet. It has an extender, so no worries whether it would fit or not. And it also has a necklace. And all my necklaces have 2-inch extenders unless noted otherwise, like the button closure or the toggles. Those don't have extenders. All right, so those are my necklaces. These are the ones that I showed yesterday during my live. There we go. And now I'm going to make a video and show you all the earrings that I showed during my live. Happy shopping. Don't forget, just go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me know which number you're interested in, or take a screenshot and circle the necklace you're interested in. Everything is just $5. It's all nickel and lead free, and shipping is $4 unless you purchase 4 items, then you get no taxes. If you purchase 6 items, it's half the shipping cost. If you purchase 8 items, I believe it's free shipping. If you purchase 10 items, it's free shipping and no taxes. If you purchase 12 items, you get a free item on top of no taxes and free shipping. And yeah, so that's cool. All right, happy shopping, guys. If you're not seeing anything that you love, these are all my vintage pieces. And I have more vintage pieces, but these are the ones I showed yesterday. But if you're not seeing anything in this group of jewelry necklaces, then you can always visit www.myglamorazzi.com for all of my new releases. All right, happy shopping. Bye.